Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome for my ghost train tour, the ghost train tour of Paignton Steam Railway. Many haunted and lost hidden secrets histories between Paignton Railways itself. Let's begin for our tour. Enjoy. Kingsworth was known as Paignton's railway's branch lines into Great Western Railway in the stations. But it had an accident secret. That night, the passenger train was take the passengers home in Paignton tonight. When the crew started to leave, they saw the train was heading to Kingsworth, going too fast. They make out this passenger train was the runaway. Both men horrified. They watched the runaway train without applying his brakes. The signalman who saw the runaway train coming towards Kingsworth tonight. They figured they switch the points, send the runaway train to the siding to be safe. Sadly, it didn't work. The people knew they were too late to save the runaway locomotive. Many lives have lost. The passengers and crew were killed in the train crash. And now their ghost still haunts Kingsworth platforms. They make to leave of the torture of a train crash they could rest in peace. They never did. Here comes the locomotive, take us to Paignton. Let's begin our tour. This time we can ride on the ghost train. The Phantom Boat was a many folklore between vehicles and ghosts. The ghost boat, known as the Phantom Paddler, have been seen as a boat paddle between water. Many people report seeing a ghost boat and a paddle try to swim and sail to Kingsworth Harbour, followed by his horn. But the boat never came. They believe it was a ghost boat of a paddle boat, was truly real. Greenway Tunnel was known as the Greenway Tunnel of a most haunted legend. It says the man was walking and very drunk that night. He was so lazy and drunk, he ignored his wife's advice. He tried to ignore her. He was heading to the tunnel, get some rest and drink, without his wife complaining. He didn't see he's on the railway tracks when the train headed straight to the tunnel. When the drunken man's eyes looked at the engine, he was terrified what he had done. He tried to escape, warn the crew, but it's too late. The train collided. No one knew what he did, commit a suicide, crime, or a murderer. They believe he was drunk. and the drunken spirit still remains. When the train goes in the tunnel, comes out followed by his screams. It says the phantom man had been seen in the tunnel, trying to scream, beg the train to stop, but he never rests because of a train. The Man of Grey was known as the legend ghost who haunts Churston Station, with many Churston stations haunting. Many people claim he saw the vanishing man known as the Man in Grey have been seen in the station trying to catch his train. He claimed he vanished. He found his body. He was being killed or murdered in this platform and the buildings. And Maui's spirit never rests. He's still there to this day that night, waiting to catch the train, taken to Paignton. He never rests because he's haunted. The viaduct bridge, when the train headed straight to the viaduct, has a many haunted and scary legend called the Suicide Ghost. The Suicide Ghost believed it was the spirit of a sad man. He lost his lover on the ship when the ship had sunk. Now, she never escaped of a sinking ship. She passed away of a sinking. After his wife died, he committed a suicide, jumping fall to his death on the bridge when the railway once stood, followed by his death screams. And now his suicide spirit, still there in the viaduct, tried to unite his wife, but he never did. Many people at Paignton seaside has claimed they saw a ghost train, the ghost train of a train wreck back in Kingsworth platform itself. And now he is a spirit of a train wreck ghost who haunts the beach and Kingsworth platform of an accident. They claim they saw the ghost train headed straight to the platform to Paignton to Kingsworth. They have fear of it. Seaside was not the only one who saw the phantom train. Many houses and neighbors who claim they saw the ghost trains, one of the windows on the train tracks, saw the phantom of a wreck crash of a train crash locomotive heading to Kingsworth for an accident. Well, here we are, Paignton Railway Station. I guess our tour was coming to the end. Really sad. I guess this train does arrive in the station. If you learn about the ghost train ride in the tour, you click on my YouTube channel and you love it for the best. Click subscribe and the bell and the comments below. It may say bye. Here's one thing. This is Resourceborn. Thanks for watching. And one more thing. The ghostly passengers knows the train has arrived. I guess let's get off this ghost train. The ghost train is leaving right now. What you do? Do not ride on the ghost train. The ghost train make you disappeared.